Good morning and a warm welcome to all curious minds. A landmark is a natural or artificial feature used for navigation. In modern sense, landmarks are usually referred to as monuments or buildings used as a symbol of a certain area, city or nation. There are many famous landmarks that attract people. Today we will get to know about well-known famous buildings and places of the world. Let's start the questions. First question: a street in London where offices of newspapers are located. Answer is Fleet Street. Fleet Street became known for printing and publishing at the start of the 16th century, and it became dominant trade so that by the 20th century most British national newspapers operated from here. In March 1702, the Daily Courant was the first daily newspaper published in Fleet Street. Answer 1H. Second question: official residence of the Pope in Rome. Answer is Vatican. The Apostolic Palace is the official residence of the Pope, the head of the Catholic Church located in Vatican City. It is also known as the Papal Palace or the Vatican Palace. So answer right 2G. Third question: city in Japan on which the first atom bomb was thrown in 1945. Answer is Hiroshima. On 6 August 1945, during World War II, an American B-29 bomber plane dropped a uranium gun type of bomb known as Little Boy on the Hiroshima. In explosion immediately killed an estimated 80,000 people. Tens of thousands more would later die of radiation exposure. So answer is 3I. Fourth question is the tallest building in the world 1667 feet in Taipei, Taiwan. Taipei 101. It was officially classified as the world's tallest building from 31st March 2004 to 10th March 2010. It is still the world's largest and highest used green building. It comprises 101 floors above ground. Since 2010, Burj Khalifa in Dubai, 828 meters across 165 floors, is the tallest building in the world. Answer 4K. Fifth question is gigantic stone buildings built by Egyptians as tombs for pharaohs. Answer is pyramid. The pyramid of Khufu at Giza is the largest Egyptian pyramid. It is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Answer 5J. Sixth question. The clock on the tower of the British Parliament building. Answer is Big Ben. Big Ben Tower clock, famous for its accuracy and for its massive bell. It is located in Elizabeth Tower. The hands of the clock are 9 feet, means 2.7 meter, and 14 feet, means 4.3 meter long. The weight of the bell is 13.7 tons. Answer is 6L. Seventh question. Birthplace of Jesus Christ in Jordan. Answer Bethlehem. In the Bible, Jesus' birthplace is identified as Bethlehem. It is situated on the West Bank area of Palestine. It is the holy pilgrimage site for Christians from all over the world. Answer 7B. Eighth question. Famous stock exchange market in New York. Answer Wall Street. The New York Stock Exchange means NYSE, known as the Big Board. It is an American stock exchange located in 11 Wall Street. It is composed of 21 rooms used for the facilitation of trading. Answer 8A. Ninth question. Famous ruins of Indus Valley civilization in Pakistan. Answer Harappa. Harappa was discovered in 1826 and first excavated in 1920 and 1921 by the Archaeological Survey of India led by Rai Bahadur Salni. The Indus cities are noted for urbanization, a technical and political process concerned with the use of land and design of urban environment. Answer 9C. Tenth question. A large group of Hindu temples in Cambodia. Answer. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat complex is world's largest religious monument. This beautiful complex was built in the 12th century as a Hindu temple. It later transformed into a place for Buddhist practices. It was built by Khmer King Suryavarma II. Answer 10E. 11th question. Headquarters of the CID in London. Answer Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard, formerly New Scotland Yard, is the headquarters of the London Metropolitan Police and, by association, a name often used to denote that force. It is located on the River Thames at Victoria. Answer 11D. 12th question. Building of the US Defense Department offices in Washington. Answer Pentagon. The Pentagon is the headquarters building of the United States Department of Defense include all three military services, Army, Navy, and Air Force. The Pentagon five-sided building located in Arlington County, Virginia near Washington. It is world's largest office building. Answer 12F. Students, we have completed question answers. Now, do you know the Mount Rushmore National Memorial honors four US presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. The four presidents were chosen to represent the nation's birth, growth, development, and preservation respectively. Students, we have completed fifth lesson. Now we are going to start next lesson. It is a telescope. Telescope is an optical instrument using lenses, curved mirrors, or a combination of both to observe distant objects. This is often used to view stars and planets. Astronomy is the study of the sun, moon, stars, planets, and other objects and phenomena in space. Cosmology is a branch of astronomy concerned with the study of the origin and evolution of the universe. Sixth lesson, Star Struck. Through this lesson, we are going to visit our universe. Let's begin the journey. Tick the correct answer. First question. The night sky is divided into 88 areas known as galaxies or pulsars or constellations. Answer is constellations. Constellation is a group of stars that appears to form a pattern or picture like Orion, the great hunter, Leo, the lion, or Taurus, the bull. Second question is, most stars are made up of gases. hydrogen and helium, or hydrogen and oxygen, or helium and nitrogen? Answer is hydrogen and helium. Stars are made of very hot gas. This gas is mostly hydrogen and helium, which are the two lightest elements. Stars shine by burning hydrogen into helium in their cores. Third question is, groups of stars are called clusters or white dwarfs or Magellanic clouds. Answer is clusters. Some stars are actually grouped closely, are called star systems, and larger groups of hundreds or thousands of stars are called star clusters. They share common origin and are gravitationally bound for some length of time. Fourth question, brightest, most distant and fastest objects visible are quasars or red giants or local groups. Answer is quasars. Quasars are the most luminous, powerful and energetic object known in the universe. Fifth question, the stars are kept together by gravity or heat or motion. Answer, gravity. Sixth question, almost 60% of the galaxies in the universe are ball-shaped and range from the rounded ones to flattened ovals. They are said to be spiral or elliptical or irregular. Answer, spiral. Seventh question, our galaxy, the Milky Way, appears as a hazy band across the sky. It is spiral or elliptical or irregular. Answer, spiral. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a large bare spiral galaxy. Contains our solar system. It is called the Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky. Eighth question. Massive stars end their lives in an explosion called supernova or Big Bang or stellar collapse. Answer, supernova. Supernova explosions are rare but incredible. In a mere second, a supernova unleashes as much energy as the sum of all other stars in the observable universe. Ninth question. When a massive star dies, it becomes a red giant, black hole, or galactic cloud. In the textbook, red dwarf is given, cut dwarf right there, giant. Answer, red giant. Red giant star is a dying star. When stars fuse helium into larger atoms, they become red giants. In a red giant, the inner helium core contracts while the outer layer of hydrogen expands. When the helium is gone, the star becomes white dwarf. 10th question. The astronomer who proved that there are many galaxies and that galaxies move away from each other. It is proved by Galileo or Copernicus or Edwin Hubble. Answer, Edwin Hubble. The American astronomer made the observation in 1925 and was the first to prove that the universe is expanding. He proved that there is a direct relationship between the speeds of distant galaxies and their distances from Earth. This is now known as Hubble's law. 11th question. A star in the making is called protostar, neurostar, or Astra-Terra. Answer is protostar. A protostar is a very young star that is still gathering mass from its parent's molecular cloud. 12th question. Which scientist proved that black holes can give out heat? Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, or Percival Lowell? Answer: Stephen Hawking. In 1974, Hawking theorized that black hole emits some kind of radiation. Hawking radiation is black body radiation that is predicted to be released by black hole due to quantum effects near the black hole event horizon, which can be detected by spatial instrumentation. His discovery has made the detailed study of the black hole possible. Students who have completed question answers. Do you know, students, the largest galaxy in our neighborhood is the Andromeda galaxy. It appears as a misty patch to the naked eye and is a spiral galaxy. Andromeda galaxy, also known as Messier 31, it is approximately 2.5 million light years from Earth. Students, we have completed 6th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you have to identify the name of the state with the help of given pictures of famous buildings and places. First picture is Ranthambore National Park. Second picture is Hawa Mahal. Third, Jal Mahal. Fourth, Jantar Mantar. Yes, what's the answer? Rajasthan. Correct. Students, in this session we have completed 5th lesson, famous building and places. 6th lesson, star struck. We will meet again in the next session. Goodbye. Take care.